Nowadays, these AI talking character avatars are very trending.
Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful.
Hey there, and welcome to my channel. I'm your AI host. Today, I have something really exciting for you.
People are using such avatars for their faceless YouTube channel, which are very engaging. So you can also create such character avatars for your channel, that too for free. So watch this video till the end, and I will teach you how to make these AI talking character avatars absolutely free. Open your browser and search for Hedra. Website is open, so now we will click on Try Beta. Then you will sign in your account here. Now we'll click again on Try Beta, and after that we'll write our prompt here that we want to talk from our character. After that, you can select your voice character from here. Different voice characters are given here. Then here we will upload the image for our character. As you can see, our image has been uploaded, the image we will use to create our AI talking character. You can generate your own AI talking character avatar by clicking on the Generate Video button. You can see our video is generating. So our video is generated, now let's play it.
How to create AI talking character for free using AI. So please subscribe our channel for informative videos like this.
As you can see that it has generated our AI talking character in a realistic way. You can see below that there is a watermark here. So there are many ways to remove the watermark are already available on YouTube, and you can also crop it to remove the watermark. So now we will download this video. Apart from this, if you want to import your own voice here, then you can add your voice here by clicking on the Import Audio button. Because it will generate voiceover in a very realistic way. So now we will play our talking character and see how it is made.
How to create AI talking avatars for free. Using AI for free. So please subscribe our channel for informative videos like this.
This is a great video, I hope you guys like it, so subscribe to my channel and like this video.